Good morning, students. Lesson number 10, long jump. Since the ancient period, the activities like running, jumping, throwing, and walking are being done from the youngest to the oldest person. They will continue doing these activities because they are natural and are done by birth. They were doing these activities for the maintenance of their lifestyle. With the passing of years and with the modernization in the life of human beings, they thought of making some changes. After thoughtful changes of the viewer and opinions, it was decided that in order to measure, evaluate, and develop the capabilities of the people, it was also decided that organization of such activities will give a great pleasure and also will develop the quality of the sports spirits. Now we shall get information regarding the long jump. Here we can see the long jump. Long jump ground. First one is approach runway. This is approach runway. Approach run should be minimum 45 meter long from the takeoff board and 1.22 meters in width. It should be leveled. Means here 45 meters long and this one is 1.22 meters. Jumping pit. The jumping pit should be minimum 2.75 meters wide and 9 meters in length. This one and 9 meter length. The distance between the edge of the takeoff board nearer to the pit and the edge of the pit for away should be 10 meters. This one. Takeoff board. Takeoff board. It should be prepared from the wood. Here we can see the takeoff board. This one. Its length and width should be 1.22 meters and 20 centimeter respectively. Its thickness should be 10 centimeter. Skills of long jump. There are four types of skills. Four skill of long jump. Very first, approach run. Second, takeoff. Third one is floating in the air, and last one is landing. Here we can see all the runner steps should be rhythmic. The runner, when he takes the takeoff from the takeoff board, he should have full speed, like 2 plus, 4 plus, 6, 12 steps, 14 steps and 16 steps. Takeoff. Here we can see takeoff. Approach run and takeoff both are, we can see in the picture. First position to last position you can see The runner select one of the suitable steps, then to take off from the takeoff board with his strong leg upward and forward at the angle of 45 degree with full speed. They are all the part of necessary for the athlete. After the takeoff, the action of lifting the body at the angle of 45 degree upward. The third part is floating, method of floating in the air. We can see here, first one is takeoff, first running approach run, second one is takeoff, third one is floating in the air, and last one is landing. The floating in the air also they have a different method, like sailing in the air method. Here we can see next one is walking in the air method. Third one is hanging in the air method, like this. And fourth one is mixed method, means when any 2 or 3 methods of floating in the air, the mixed method and the floating is done. It is called a mixed method. And last one is landing. With the completion of floating in the air, the complete the floating in the air, when the body comes nearer to the jumping pit, the action of floating, the action of landing starts. Here we can see the last skill of a long jump, landing.